Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Wednesday. Today we're going to review the vowel team AI and AY. We use AI in the middle of a word, and we use vowel team AY at the end of a word. Let's trace it and say it with me. A, I, rain, A. Position in the middle of the word. Boys and girls, say it with me. A, I, rain, A. Position in the middle of the word. Now let's trace and say AY. A, Y, play, A. Position at the end of the word. Excellent. Boys and girls, pick up two fingers and do it with me one more time. A, Y, play, A. Position at the end of the word. Very good. On your screen, you have words with vowel team AI in it and vowel team AY. Your screen kind of looks like this. What I want you to do is match words with AI in the right spot, and the words with AY go in the right spot. When you're done, I want you to code and read the words. Watch me do the first one. The first vowel team has AI in it. So I'm going to write it over here, M-A-I-L. Now I'm going to code my word. I see my vowel team, I make a line, and I write two V's, and I read it. M-A, may, male, male. My second word has A-Y in it, so it belongs here. I'm going to go D-A. Underline it and write two V's. D-A, day. My third word has an A-Y in it, so I'm going to write S-A, say. Excellent, boys and girls. Right now, I want you to go back, write down the words you see on your screen, and put them in the AI column or in the AY column. Bye. Have a great day.